Hi guys, it's Mrs. Harrington. I'm just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use the paper Snowflake website that I'm sharing the link to on Google Classroom. It's fun to be able to kind of make a digital snowflake and see what it would look like. And then you can turn those digital snowflakes you can get a piece of paper and make the same types of cuts that you plan on the screen, and you kind of see what it would turn into over here. So you click on the link to open up the Paper Snowflake website. You can change the background over here. I like purple. Click on it, and then you click Add. You're going to bring the mouse over onto this white triangle, which represents a folded piece of paper folded into half and then into thirds. And you just start clicking on the white paper. First time you click the mouse, it's going to show a green dot. And you keep clicking. You move the mouse, click again. Notice the next dots are red. You always want to finish back on the green dot, and it'll show you what the cut would look like if you made it on real paper. You can start a new one after you finish the first shape. Green dot the first one. The next dots are red. You can make it simple, but you always have to go back to the green dot to click again. If you don't click, the line won't, it'll keep following the mouse. You always have to do a click, or sort of like leaving a little flag. Always finish on the red dot. You can make as many cuts as you want. You can make it but always finish on the green dot. To make those dots, remember, I am clicking the mouse, moving the mouse, and clicking. If you want it to make sure it cuts all the way, I would move it past the triangle edge. Finish on the green dot. Yeah. Finish on the green dot. I like to do some cuts out of the center when I do paper snowflakes. Makes like a neat star happen. And when you're done, when you have cuts that you like, you move the mouse over and you click Make Snowflake right here. So it shows you what you would have done on the right hand side, and it shows you what it looks like, what it would look like if you made it out of real paper on the left. I like to use this website for sort of like making a plan for a paper snowflake if I wanted to try out and experiment with different types of things before I hurt my hands cutting through all the layers of paper. But I have fun with it. I hope you have a great vacation. Oh, one more thing. If you want to save your picture, if you like one and you want to save it, down here on the bottom left it says Save Image. You click the green button that says Save Image to your computer, and that saves the picture. And that's something that you can share on Google Classroom. If you do, I'd love to. Never mind. Have a great Christmas. Have a great New Year's. Have a great Hanukkah. Have a great vacation. Get out and play. I miss you guys. Have fun. I'll see you soon.